Hey everybody, this is Larry. I'm doing this problem as part of a contest, so you're going to watch me live as I go through my dots as I'm coding. There'll be an explanation near the end, and for more context, there'll be a link below on the actual screencast of the contest. How did you do? Let me know how you do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Q2, simplified fractions. So this one you just have to generate or have a way to generate all the simplified fractions. The key thing to note is that a fraction is simplified if they don't have a common denominator. So basically, which means you just use the GCD function to check whether, and because n is equal to 100, you could generate all 100 square pairs, or 100 choose 2 pairs, if you will. And and then just make sure that yeah, the GCD fits and the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and then that's it. I think I just played around off by ones here, but that's the general idea of behind how to do. I was thinking like, do I need enough, or like, is it n or n plus one or something like that? And I took a little bit more time to think about the actual edge cases, but then I was like, whatever, just we could generate it, or we can filter it out later or something like that. So yeah, that's essentially what I did. It's pretty brute forcey, but it's Q2, so I was confident about it. Though it was at this point as well, but because I had to convert it to strings. And also at that point, even though that wasn't part of the thing, I realized that I should make sure that y is bigger, or yeah, y is bigger than x. And I was like, oh, that doesn't include one of the numbers, so I need m off by one. And I didn't need it on the x. I was thinking about it, but I was like, yeah, just do it anyway. Because GCD would never be equal to one n, but that's okay. And then I submit, and then that's it. Q2. Whew. Simplified fractions. So basically, you're given a numerator and denominator for this one, and there's only simplified if this GCD is equal to 1, meaning that the greatest common denominator between the numerator and the denominator is 1. That means you can't simplify it anymore. So basically what I did was I just did the brute force since n is only 100. Yeah, just check every x is equal to y, or x is less than y, and check that the GCD is less than, or is equal to 1, sorry. And then that's it. And I just put it in, and I also checked that it could be in any order, so we don't have to do any sorting. So I just return it afterwards.